Welcome to today's session of Food Preservation, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service, the Quicksand Area Family and Consumer Science Extension agents. Today we are doing tomato salsa in the boiling water canner. Our first presenter is Nanette Banks from Leslie County.
The first thing you want to do is make sure you do wash your tomatoes. The next thing is get a spoon, and you want to have some boiling water. Place the tomato in the spoon and drop it down into the water. That way you do not burn your hands by placing it close to the hot water. As you notice, I had two different varieties of tomatoes. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you put it in the boiling water, leave it in there for 30 to 60 seconds, and then once the tomato starts to crack, the skin on the tomato starts to crack, you know it's ready to take out and start peeling. If you do not have, if the tomato skin does not start cracking after 60 seconds, you can take it out, pierce it with a knife, and then start peeling the skin off. But after I put it in the boiling water, take it out and place it into a bowl of cool water. This is stopping the cooking process, and it's just giving you enough time to get the skin off. And I'll show you, this one right here, the skin did pierce. And the only thing you do is pick it up and you start peeling. Just use your fingers and you start peeling the skins. Have a place to drop the peels. Continue peeling until you get all the skin off, and then you do want to core. Take the core out of the tomato. Once all the skin's off, go ahead and get you a knife, and you want to slice it on a cutting board. Cut it in half. Place the flat sides down and cut it in half again, and then you'll see the core. And then you just go ahead and cut the core out and discard that. And you continue doing that with all of the tomato. And I'm going to show you with this one, the skin did not pierce or crack, so you go ahead and just pierce part of it, and then you can start peeling it. So you can do this, the same thing, it's just the skin did not crack, so continue peeling it, and you want to core it also. But now I'm going to show you how to chop the tomato. Go ahead and just slice it, and you want to keep the slices and the dice a pretty uniform size. That way you're not having different size pieces throughout the salsa. And then you just have it and put it into a bowl, and that is it. And continue on with all of the tomatoes that you have.